Are you tired of that sharp, stabbing pain in your heel every single morning? The kind that turns your first steps out of bed into a painful struggle that disrupts your entire day? Imagine starting your routine with wincing and limping instead of confidence. You're definitely not alone in this. Millions of middle-aged Americans deal with this same debilitating heel discomfort on a regular basis, and it's frequently triggered by a widespread condition known as plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis specifically happens when the plantar fascia, that essential thick band of connective tissue running along the bottom of your foot from the heel bone all the way to the toes, gets inflamed and strained. This inflammation results in sharp, significant pain that hits hardest especially right after periods of rest, like first thing in the morning or whenever you ramp up physical activity during the day. But here's the good news you can count on. There are many effective, natural healing protocols available that can effectively alleviate your heel pain and help you regain your full mobility over time. Let's begin with stretching exercises, which form a cornerstone of recovery from plantar fasciitis, as they target both your tight calves and the inflamed plantar fascia itself for better flexibility. First up is the classic wall calf stretch. Simply stand facing a sturdy wall, place both hands flat on it at shoulder height, and step one foot back while keeping that back heel firmly planted on the ground. Now, slowly lean your body forward from the hips until you feel a deep, comfortable stretch right in your calf muscle. Hold that position steadily for a full 30 seconds, and then switch to the other leg. Next, try the seated plantar fascia stretch. Find a comfortable chair, sit down, and cross one leg over the other knee. Then reach forward to grasp your toes with your hand. Gently but firmly pull your toes back towards your shin until you sense a good stretch running along the arch and bottom of your foot. Maintain it for 30 seconds per side to loosen the fascia effectively. Moving beyond just stretching, it's crucial to strengthen the key muscles that support and stabilize your foot's arch, which provides essential long-term relief from plantar fasciitis symptoms. Toe curls offer a simple yet highly effective strengthening option. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor and place a small towel or cloth partially under the toes of the affected foot. Use your toes to curl and scrunch the towel, pulling it gradually towards your heel in a controlled motion, and repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for each foot to build strength. For even more targeted work, marble pickups are great for your intrinsic foot muscles. Scatter a handful of small marbles on the floor nearby. Then use your toes to pick them up one by one and drop them into a nearby cup or bowl. Arch lifts, also called short foot exercises, focus on lifting just the arch of your foot while keeping your toes relaxed and straight. Hold the lift for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat several times. When you need immediate pain relief and to actively reduce that stubborn inflammation, incorporating ice massage into your routine proves incredibly beneficial and soothing. Take a full water bottle, freeze it solid. Then sit and roll your bare foot slowly over it back and forth for 10 to 15 minutes daily, particularly right after any activity that aggravates your heel. Choosing the right footwear and adding proper support play a critical role in preventing further irritation to your plantar fascia while actively supporting your overall healing process. Steer clear of flat shoes without support or uncomfortable high heels that lack cushioning. Instead, choose shoes featuring strong arch support, ample heel cushioning, and a stable sole for daily wear. To boost your support even more, consider using over-the-counter orthotic inserts or even getting custom-made ones tailored to your foot shape for optimal arch elevation and comfort. Night splints can truly be a game-changer in your recovery, as they work overnight to gently stretch your plantar fascia and prevent that dreaded morning stiffness from setting in. These practical devices hold your foot in a dorsiflex position throughout the night, which helps maintain the optimal length of the plantar fascia and promotes better healing while you sleep. The key to success with night splints lies in consistency, so make sure to wear them every night as recommended by your healthcare provider for the best possible results. Keep in mind that fully healing plantar fasciitis requires both time and patience, typically spanning several weeks to a few months depending on severity, but your consistent daily effort will definitely yield noticeable results. Always listen closely to what your body is telling you. Avoid any activities or shoes that worsen your heel pain, and gradually build up your activity level as your foot strengthens and heals. Are you ready to finally take that important next step towards achieving lasting relief from your plantar fasciitis? Download our free foot health assessment guide today and get started on your path to pain-free living. This comprehensive, user-friendly guide walks you through identifying your specific foot health needs and helps you build a fully personalized recovery plan tailored just for you. Don't let plantar fasciitis continue to control and limit your daily life any longer. Empower yourself right now with the proven knowledge and tools to heal naturally and get back to enjoying every step.